Hi again. Now we've had our first appointment. We've gone through, believe it or not, the hard part. We went through the discussion about what the different tools are. We talked about all of your preliminary choices, who you wanted to be those persons of important contact, who you're going to turn to help. Now, what do? We're in the in-between mode. I'm busy writing your documents. What I'd like you to do is simply think. I sent you home with the copy of the questionnaire. You've seen all the choices that you made listed out in writing. What do I want you to do? I want you to think. I want you to let it percolate some of these decisions that we've made. So the things that you're thinking about right now are, do you like the choices that you made when it comes to who's going to help you make financial decisions if you can no longer make them for yourself? Are you satisfied with the choices for healthcare decision making? Who's going to help you make healthcare decisions for you if you cannot make them for yourself? Are you satisfied with the disposition of the estate? How the estate is going to pass from you, or if you're married, you and your spouse, to your children, charity, friends, parents, family, whatever it was that you decided. Is it still a good decision? If it's a good decision now, I promise it's going to be just fine. You really shouldn't spend probably more than half an hour literally talking about this stuff. As I mentioned at the outset, we've done the hard work already. By paring everything down from, oh my God, what do I do, to this is how it's going to work, we've put you on that path to success. There are no documents that I'm going to need between now and our next meeting unless there was something I specifically asked you for. Perhaps you had a property out of state and I asked you for a deed. I do not need your bank statements. I do not need to know that your Fidelity account has exactly $158,000. You noticed on the questionnaire, I wrote down round numbers, no account numbers. This is not necessary information to create your plan. We've already got all the information that we need. Unless there was something I specifically asked you for, and you would know it because I write it down for you, we're good to go. So, if you have questions, I strongly urge you to write them down. I always ask clients to write questions down because it helps to crystallize what it is that's on your mind. You're welcome to send those questions to me. You can send them to me through an email, or you can bring them up at our next meeting. Either way, it's not a problem. I am here to answer your questions. Remember, I work for you. I hope this is helpful to you. I look forward to seeing you at our next meeting when we're going to review all the documents and ultimately sign the documents. At that meeting, we'll also discuss funding the trust, what you have to do afterwards. Thanks again for tuning in. I'm David Schneider. I look forward to seeing you again. If you like this video, if you thought it was helpful, go ahead, hit that like button. Visit the website. You'll see other videos on other topics that we have previously discussed and perhaps some that we haven't yet. I look forward to seeing you again.